If you guys want to see how I made this delicious jerk prawns, you just continue to watch this video. Absolutely delicious. Hi guys, this is Jody Cooking. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make you some jerk prawns. So that's my prawn. This is the one that's in the shell. It's king prawns. These are all my seasoning. You have paprika, 1 spoonful. You have all-purpose seasoning, 1 spoonful. You have jerk seasoning, 1 spoonful. You have fish seasoning, 1 spoonful. You have garlic powder, 1 teaspoonful, and you have black pepper, half a teaspoonful. And I'm also gonna use jerk seasoning, but this is the bottle one. So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna pour all my seasoning on my prawns. And for the bottle seasoning, jerk seasoning, I'm gonna use 1 spoonful, because you don't need a lot, because it is very hot. And this is my pimento seed. Just gonna take my hand and just massage it. Just take your time. And I'm gonna also pour some oil, some vegetable oil, just for it to be moist. And a bit of soy sauce. Around a spoonful. And you can always leave it to marinate in your fridge or even overnight. Just make sure all the seasoning go in the prawns. So that's finished. So for my jerk prawns, guys, I'm gonna put my prawns on a skewers. So here I have some skewers here, and I'm also gonna add with it some bell pepper and some onions. So the first thing I'm gonna do now, guys, here I have 1 skewers here, and I also have my prawns. So I'm just gonna pierce it in my prawns and just push it right down. And then I'm gonna add my bell pepper. And I'm gonna add another prawn. The bell peppers. And onions. And I'm just gonna do that back and forth. Like so. So it is finally finished now, and this is what it looks like. So here I have a tray here, guys, and on the tray, as you can see, I put a grill, and I also put some water in there also. and I oil it as well. So now I'm gonna add my skewers on top of the grill, just like so. And I'm gonna put it in my oven for 15 minutes and 150 degrees. So this is what it looks like on top of the grill. So for my jerk prawns, I'm gonna make some sauce. So here I have 1 teaspoonful of all-purpose seasoning, jerk seasoning, black pepper, 2 spoonfuls of granulated sugar, and 2 spoonfuls of ketchup. So here I have a pot on the stove. It's hot, and to my pot I'm gonna add some boiling water. That's around 1/4 cup of water. And I'm gonna also add my sugar and my ketchup, and I'm gonna also add all my seasoning. Give it a stir. And I'm gonna also add 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and I'm gonna leave it, guys, until it became thick for at least 10 minutes. Alright guys, so my sauce is finally finished, and this is what it looks like. As you can see, it is nice and thick. So this is exactly how you want it. So my jerk prawns is finally finished, and this is what it look like. It looking absolutely good. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, you see the sauce that I made? I'm just gonna take it and put all over my jerk prawns, and then I'm gonna put it back in my oven for at least 5 minutes. So this is what it look like after I finish coat it. So it is finally finished now, guys, and this is what it look like. It's looking so delicious. I cannot wait to eat it. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna plate it up for you guys and show you guys how it looks on the plate. Take a close-up look. So this is what it look like on my board, and as you can see, I have my sauce right beside it. I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Please like, subscribe for many other videos. I thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, bye.